Hey guys, welcome back to the Steelmade Test Kitchen. I'm Josh Wild, and today we're going to be making Caprese Paninis. Let's get into it. So first, for our side, we're going to do something pretty simple. It's just going to be sweet potato dimes. So you're going to want to cut your sweet potatoes into about 1/2-inch dimes and put those right on some high heat with some oil. Then I'll season it with a little bit of paprika, chili powder, garlic salt, pepper, and salt. And I actually threw these in the microwave for about 30 seconds just so they soften up a little bit. They'll brown up and get cooked pretty fast. Okay, while those are cooking, we're gonna get started on these paninis. So we're gonna take a sub roll. So this is just a plain white sub roll. You can do this with any bread that you want, really. Sourdough is great with Caprese's, but I'm just gonna do regular white. So we're gonna brush each side with a little bit of olive oil on the underneath and put those on some medium heat, and which gives us enough time to construct the rest of our sandwich. And Caprese is pretty easy. We're just gonna do mozzarella, and then I've got Roma tomatoes, basil leaves, and on the top I'm gonna pour a little bit of olive oil. You can brush that in if you want. And then finally, balsamic glaze. Some people use balsamic vinaigrette. I like glaze, it's just a little bit sweeter. So that's what we're gonna do. And as soon as you're fully constructed, just go ahead, flip them over. And then you're gonna press with either, if you have a burger press, but most people in their house have a pan, so just get a pan, smash it down. You're gonna let that sit until it's brown on both sides. All right, flip over those dimes. And this browning color is really what you want, but you can have anything in between, just as long as it's getting cooked through. Flip that sandwich. Press down again. You want them really nice and thin for it really to be considered a panini. We'll season the other side of these dimes. Take that off. Dimes look great. Give it a good old cut in half. And there you have it. That's our Caprese Panini. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.